Hi, I'm Mike and welcome back to Gear Up. Oh no. Some idiot forgot to put the scuttle part back in. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to say a massive thanks to everyone who's watched and subscribed in the last video. If you don't know, this is my 2006 Ford Focus ST2. For those of you who are new to the channel or new to this video, we're currently having an issue where she's smoking out the back. But if you watched the previous video, you've seen what we've done. So in the short term, we've put a new turbo on to hopefully fix that issue. But towards the end of the last episode, we had a problem where the fob wasn't working and the car wouldn't even, the immobilizer wouldn't do anything. A lot of you told me to get a new battery, but before we do that, I think we should go and look at the old one and see what's happened. So guys, when we had the battery on charge last time, we were using this fairly new charger, but I left it on charge and then my dad was here, was on charge, and he noticed something starting to smoke. If you look here, this actual charger is actually faulty, so it wasn't charging the battery enough. So my dad had an older charger, so we brought that around. So we put this one on charge, but all it was doing was it was going up there, down there, up there, down there, up there, down there, and it'd been on charge for like 24 hours battery. And when we tested it, it only had 7 volts going through it. So that I think the battery is knackered. I think it was just another issue. So I've gone ahead and bought a brand new battery, and then today should be the day we put the key in and start this baby up and see what it does. So this battery I got from GSF online. And do you know what guys? 60 quid free delivery. Couldn't argue. Eurocar Parts, Halfords, all those sort of places wanted £120 plus for the battery. And I found this one. It did say, I put my registration into the website, it did say all matching everything, so hopefully this is the right battery, but can't complain, can you? So let's get this unboxed and get this on the car. Oh, she's juicy, isn't she? Where's my key? Where's my key? Here's a moment of truth. Oh, it works! Key works. Key works. Oh, lights are on. Oh, that's better. The screen's come right on. Wow. Oh, that's way better. Right, let me get some cameras set up and we'll get back. Right. Oh, it's the first start properly since I've had the car. Right. Oh, okay. Let's try this again. Oh dear, yeah, engine bad. Engine bad, girls. Didn't work, engine bad. Engine bad. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. She's running. It is not running happy at all. Sounds like a bloody water pump, doesn't it, mate? Wow, I got that wrong, didn't I, guys? I did say I was fully prepared to get some engine, so I guess in this very short video, I guess head's got to come off and we need to investigate a bit more. But it's got no engine management, has it, actually? Let's have a look. Everyone's probably cursing at me for doing that. Engine's still bad. Engine's still bad. Look at all that smoke. The engine's still bad. No. Just keep hold of it, babe.
What is that?
Oh no. Oh no, look at that.
Ew.
Ew. Well, that's oil and water mixed together, babe. Yeah? So, right, I want you all to take the mick out in the comments now. I want everyone to tell me that I'm an idiot. Because, right, I'm just going to clean this up. Give me a sec. So guys, it's been about a week later. I was editing last night and the outro I filmed, I actually forgot to turn my microphone on, so I'm doing it now. As you've seen, I think I fixed one issue. It wasn't smoking nowhere near as bad as it was last time. So I think the turbo solved one of the issues. But obviously you've seen that a lot of you are right, is either head gasket or crack liner. With the oil and stuff, I actually haven't looked to see where it's coming from, but God knows where. So that's what we're going to do in the next episode. We're going to take this head off and have a look at it. One thing I will say is I'm not a mechanic. I've never done this before. I've never took a head off, so it's going to be a good challenge, and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. But if you stuck around to the end of the episode, thank you very much for watching. Oh, and I wanted to all take the mick about in the comments. Yeah, let's have a joke. Let's just say how wrong I was, because I admit that I'm wrong-ish. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please comment, please like, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.